Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to make files available online only on Dropbox. Now let us begin. Do note that in order to do that, what you guys have to do is install the Dropbox application for your desktop. In case you don't know how to, we have created a tutorial regarding that as well. Alright, now, this right here is the interface of the application. At the top right of the application, you will see your profile picture. Simply click on it, and from here, let us go to Preferences. Once you're in this section, well, as you can see, there are multiple tabs like General, Accounts, Backups and everything. But let's scroll right to the bottom, that is Sync. I'm just gonna click on it, and right here, as you can see, it's saying how do you want to store new files, online only or available offline. Well, for now, I want to change it to online only, so I'm gonna select this option right here. And guys, that is it. That's how you make files available online only on Dropbox. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.